Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ama-under 20-ke bawashayile laphana ku-FIFA World Cup, bashawa yi-Colombia, babanokha out-ke. Manje they are on their way back to South Africa. But-ke le tournament izokhunjulwa as ibhola lase-South Africa likhuphuka yet again. Abafana abancane bebonisa ngempela ukuthi okay, they are the ones for the future, ukuthi bazokwazi ukulwela national team or iBafana Bafana in the near future. Good performers bafethu laphana uVilakazi we-Kaizer Chiefs uperforme kahle kakhulu, even ko-FIFA.com bebabhala ngaye, ama-commentators akhuluma ngaye kahle. I mean umuntu uzimakethe kahle kakhulu uVilakazi laphana ku-competition enkulu kangaka emhlabeni. I mean he was fearless, he went all out, bezama ngempela ukuthola ama-results. Akugame against iColombia badliswa ama-mistake wabo nje kuphela. Uma uthi uyabheka wonke amagoli ukuthi bawakore kanjani, i-defensive yabo, decision making bekuxega laphana. So nje amaphutha wabo amancane abenza ukuthi bedliwe. But I'll mention just the first goal, uThato bekumele aclear ibhola, simple beliza kuye clear ibhola, but-ke he was beaten by umuntu osemuva kwakhe. So I mean ya yizo nje izinto ey'ncane lezi ezibalimazile ukuthi babanokhe out, but-ke le tournament izokhunjulwa as abadlali bazi-advertise kahle kakhulu. I mean oMaku laphana ku-midfielder, I mean i-hard work bafethu, April i-pace yakhe meya laphana phambili. Thato Sibiya weMamelodi Sundowns ku-left back, uRaphor naye bekazibonakalisa laphana. So abafana badlalile bafethu, angifuni ukuqamba amanga, like they went all out, they really tried to fight for the team. Even u-goalkeeper man ku-tournament nje throughout wenza ama-big saves, especially against i-United States of America, make sure ukuthi amajita laphana ayawina. So they can draw inspiration from the tournament lena ukuthi next time when they get an opportunity yokuthi mhlawumbe sebapromothiwa koBafana Bafana, sebanayo experience yokudlala ku-international stage. And guess what, not even guess what, ba-ama-champions wase-Africa kuma-under 20, so it shows ukuthi ibhola lase-South Africa liphezulu-ke at the moment. Ama-Warriors, ama-Fighters abadliwa nje kalula. I mean they really fought for ama-results. Yeah man, it was not an easy game obviously against Colombia. Some of the good players laphana, i-physique eColombia, i-strength sabo si-better than obviously-ke amajita, but-ke yeah badlalile. Abantu abaningi like mangi-check-a bakhala ngokuthi umdaka ucoach laphana, ama-sub wakhe, ukusubstitute kwakhe bulale i-team laphana. So before ama-subs i-team beyingconywana, but-ke I mean yeah, it's a game of football. Sometimes ucabanga ukuthi i-sub lizokusebenzela, sometimes alikusebenzeli overall. I mean yeah, so substitution sometimes ziyabalimaza abafana, but goalkeeper uvimbe kahle kakhulu njengoba bengishilo. April udeserve ukuya overseas, if akaye overseas. I mean what a superstar, what a gem. It was nice seeing him enza izinto zenzeke laphana. Okay, okunye esingakhuluma ngako, ayibhola lingenye indlela bafowethu. uLeclerc weMamelodi Sundowns, oMabhena yibo bobawu-2 beba-expected ukuthi maybe bangakwazi ukulida i-under 20 because of bona bane-experience kangcono yokudlala ku-first team compared to amanye ama-player alaphana. Amanye badlala ko-DDC team, abanye abakatholi ne-exposure ku-Betway Premiership. But guess what, uMabhena noLeclerc, uMabhena angizange ngimbone nokumbona, uthola i-limited game time. uLeclerc ngimbonile engena lapho nalapho, and it shows ukuthi ithalent elikhona. It doesn't mean ukuthi mawudlalela enye team lese uRaphor ngoba udlalela iSwelele and then is less talented compared to umuntu odlalela iMamelodi Sundowns. It's just about team oyidlalelayo ne-structure around, because bheka u-April uperforme ngenye indlela bafethu. Abantu banga-complain bathi uLeclerc akadlalanga enough, but guess what, April umake sure laphana ukuthi wenza izinto zenzeke, umake sure ukuthi uya-assista ukuthi amajita afika la afike khona kuma-knockout stages. I mean it's a good thing ukuthi at least bashawe kuma-knockout stages than ukuthi bavele baphume kuma-group stages. Kuyabonakala ngempela ukuthi they are top 16 best under 20s in the world according to how they performed ku-World Cup. But yeah, uMabhena yeah uye ku-World Cup, but kade azange athole that game time. But I mean naye akumelanga im-discourage lento lena just because udlalela i-Sundowns akusho ukuthi amanye ama-players are less talented than yena. Amanye ama-player talented and they fight for the team. I think it's about the hunger and like the belief. Banayo leyo hunger, banayo leyo belief. Amajita aphefomile ukuphefoma and sibonile noBatman we-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu uthole limited game time. So it does not mean ukuthi uma udlalela i-team enkulu wena uzoba yi-starter, but are the players that were missed laphana kakhulu. I think ama-players bawazo-add i-contribution enkulu bafowethu. Ilokhunjani ama-player uMbokazi, eish uMbokazi from Orlando Pirates bafowethu, that one, that one was gonna be the one because bebazomfila laphana in terms of i-defense, bebangeke bamenze lutho. Imagine uMbokazi noSmith laphana emuva, ayi, top quality. Bebazophefoma kahle kakhulu but-ke ngeke sikhale ngezinto ezingenzekanga. Khona nomfana la ubani uCampbell lo odlalela iClub Brugge, naye bengekho i-team yakhe ayimvumelanga ukuthi aye ku-World Cup. So few players nje, kushode kancane bafethu ukuthi ayi bebazoya all out. Yabona nje ama-few players laphana asolid, uMbokazi at the back, uCampbell laphana phambili, bebazozama ngempela ukukhompitha serious. But yeah, it is what it is. I mean, it's a game of beautiful football. That is why sithanda ibhola li-unpredictable. But if uyamisela uyawathola ama-opportunities. uVilakazi usibonisile like lento le ngike ngayikhuluma, uVilakazi ku-Kaizer Chiefs bamdlalisa ku-wing, kuMajida noma ngithi ku-South Africa bamdlalisa ku-number 10 ku-creative midfield, midfield, and then he's able to supply those passes because he's a good pass off the ball. Then what is wrong-ke nge-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi imdlalise i-wing cause akanaso leso speed leso naleyo aggression leyo ukuthi mhlawumpe uzolwisana nama-defender isikhathi esiningi. Mnike i-free roll uzombona-ke ephefoma uVilakazi ukuthi uba, I mean uyasiphruva laphana ku-South Africa Under-20 ukuthi uya-excel-a kuleya free roll leya creative midfielder, but at the same time laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs siyazi ukuthi kuno-Gaston Sirena kuleyo position leyo, phinde kube noMduduzi Shabalala. So maybe bayabona ukuthi hayi u-right ku-wing. Yeah, creativity man from uVilakazi, ayi strong kakhulu bafethu uVilakazi. But yeah, it's a game of football. They will recover, they will do great next time. Cela ukuzibamba lana. But yeah, zikhona iy'tar bafethu, zikhona iy'tar laphana ethimini ezigudi kakhulu, eziphefome kakhulu. uVilakazi u-achieve izinto ey'nkulu kabi laphana ku-World Cup, bazombona. In fact bambonile abantu, he was one of the biggest performers laphana, bambonile abantu, sokuyi-decision yabo ukuthi mhlampe bangafuni ukum-exercise ukuthi babuze ngaye ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, so dankie bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.